Give me water. And move, please. Sorry. I mean, I don't know.
Are you asking or ordering?
Oh, this is powerful because now we are not just speaking, we are showing respect. Please, excuse, sorry, thanks, welcome. Sure. These are politeness words, and you can hear Emma. She is trying to be polite, but her sentences are still too direct.
And this happens a lot, because learners focus on meaning but forget tone. And in real life, tone matters just as much as words. You can say the same sentence, but sound rude or polite.
Yeah, same message, completely different feeling. All right, I'm Zivara, and today we fix something very real. How to sound polite in English. This is day 18, and today is about how people feel when you speak, because communication is not just words, it's how those words are received.
I'm Oren, and yeah, this is a big step, because politeness changes your entire impression.
Let's feel these words, not memorize. Feel them. Please softens a request. Please help me. Please help me. Sorry, apology. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thanks, gratitude. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help.
Now the next ones. Excuse me, to get attention politely. Excuse me. Excuse me. Welcome. Response to thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sure. Polite agreement. Sure, I can help. Sure, I can help.
These words don't change meaning. They change how people feel.
Yeah, they make your English softer, more human.
Now, this is the key. Politeness is not grammar, it's attitude. You don't say, "Give me water." You say, "Can you give me water, please?" You don't say, "Move."
You say, "Excuse me, can you move?" So the structure changes, and the tone changes, and that changes how people react to you.
Yeah, polite English opens doors. Direct English can close them. All right, now let's step into that moment again, and this time really listen to the tone, not just the words, because politeness is not about vocabulary alone, it's about how your sentence feels to the other person, and sometimes, even if your English is correct, it can sound too direct.
Yeah, imagine this. You are in a cafe, or maybe in an office, or even asking someone for help. Simple situation, simple request. But the way you say it changes everything. Just listen carefully.
Give me water. I need it fast.
Okay.
Move. I want to sit there.
Oh, all right.
I take your pen. Thanks.
Wait, you took it?
Yes, I use it. And I don't say sorry.
That sounds a bit rude.
Okay. I say sorry. But still, give me help.
All right, I understand. But your tone feels strong.
All right, let's fix this together and focus on tone, not just words. Emma said, "Give me water. I need it fast." We soften it. "Can you give me some water, please? I need it quickly."
Then, move. I want to sit there. We make it polite. Excuse me, can I sit there?
Then, "I take your pen. Thanks." We fix it. "Can I take your pen, please? Thanks."
Then, I use it and I don't say sorry. We improve it. I used it. I'm sorry about that.
And finally, "Give me help." We make it natural. Could you help me, please?
And this is the key. Small words, big impact.
Can you give me some water, please? I need it quickly.
Of course.
Excuse me, can I sit there?
Sure.
Can I take your pen, please? Thanks.
No problem.
I used it. I'm sorry about that.
That's okay.
Could you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
Now you can feel the difference. Same situation, different tone.
Yeah, now it sounds respectful, natural.
All right, your turn. Focus on politeness. Please help me. Please help me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sure, I can help. Sure, I can help.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine you are in a cafe and you need something. Before, you say, "Give me water," and people feel uncomfortable. But now, you say, "Can you give me some water, please?" And instantly, the energy changes. People respond better. They feel respected. And this is powerful because English is not just about being correct. It's about how people feel when you speak.
I remember this very clearly. I once heard someone say, "Move." Just one word, and the other person moved, but their face changed. That moment stayed with me because the sentence was correct, but the tone was wrong. And later, I heard someone say, "Excuse me, could you move a little?" Same meaning, completely different feeling.
And that's the shift you are building now. Not just correct English, but respectful, natural, human English. And that's what makes communication work. Not just words, but connection.
All right, let's take a second. Before today, your English could sound too direct.
Now, it sounds polite and natural.
Today, you can now speak politely and make people feel comfortable when you talk. This is real communication.
Clear, respectful, human.
See you in day 19.